What's going on, sports card collectors? It's a Sunday, and we're going to break the mold and go out of bounds. And out of bounds as far as I'm concerned, because we usually do basketball. We do have some baseball, some football, some hockey. But somehow or another, I managed to pick up a Fortnite Series 2 box. My kids play it. I like to call it Fort Rot. And just as Pokemon cards are worth money, so aren't the Fort Rot or Fortnite cards. I do not know anything about the Fortnite. I've played it twice. I didn't do very well. I think I was out of the game in the first 30 seconds to a minute probably. But I figured, you know what, let's give it a shot. There's so much going on, trying to break the mold, trying to gather all my thoughts to talk about this year's NBA season. Talk about GMA, talk about SGC, where GMA's heading, where SGC's heading. And quite honestly, I know for those of you that are big PSA, BGS fans, they're shooting themselves in the foot, the companies themselves. PSA is still over 1 million cards to be graded. Their turnaround times are still ridiculous, and I know you can pay to get quicker turnaround times, but to me, that's just highway robbery to keep paying those high of a prices. And quite honestly, I've seen GMA and SGC has gained traction, probably more specifically GMA. I know they have a new logo coming up, some other things, but continuing with what they have, their turnaround times are unbelievable. People getting their cards back sometimes in 7 days, less than 23 days. At the end of the day, they're less than 40 days to get your cards back from GMA. SGC, the group that I'm part of, their group submissions have been on hold till hopefully February, where they do an announcement where we can submit some more. But I still see SGC value. Guys are posting cards, the SGC cards that outsold PSA. Excuse me. And GMA, while the value is still not up there, what I'm starting to see is the positive encouragement of people and the excitement of flipping their GMA cards for profit and being content and happy with that. So what we're going to do is open up some Fortnite cards, and we'll go from there. And then we'll get this posted, and then hopefully, actually later on this week, I have a order coming in from SGC, so we'll be opening up that. So let's get started. Before I do start, 2020 trading cards, 6 cards per pack, 12 packs, plus 2 rare bonus cards. We're looking for special inserted cards, legendary in every 12 packs, holofoil in every 12 packs, Optichrome hollow in every 24 packs. So this is what it looks like. Find 2 cracked ice parallels per box on average. Look for cards of popular outfits such as Ripley. I can't read the other links. 8-ball, rocks, and more. So we're going to tackle this. And when I'm done with the video, I'm going to put these in penny sleeves and top loaders. And then we're going to look up the prices when I'm done, just see what I have for value. And then, I don't know, we will submit these cards to GMA and get them graded and turned around and see if we can make a profit off of it. So then I'll do another update of the cards that I'm submitting to GMA, and then I'll do another update to show you what ones I've listed and what they sell for. So this is a clear pack. Like I said, this is totally new to me. So I'm sure there's going to be cards in here you guys are like, if there's any Fortnite collectors out there, like, that's a really good card, or I won't know until after because I got to look them up. So up first, see, the corner looks like it's bent on that. I don't like the way these are packaged, but Payback, rare outfit, number 61. External Voyager, epic outfit. Let's see what we get in the packs. We have, you know what, let's do this. Since we are, I'm seeing the background, if it's bugging you guys or not, but there, put Fortnite in the background. All right, let's see what we got. Devastator. I think it looks like it might be better off. Well, just do it one at a time. Uncommon outfit. I know nothing about this. Bundles. Surf Rider. Scratch. Dragon Axe. Okay, one pack down. If you've subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it. The channel's slowly growing. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. It's free. It helps us out. Also, give us a like and hit that notification bell so the next time we post a video, you can be alerted. And as always, we do appreciate everybody's support. So we got something shiny coming up here. What do we got? All right, let's see. Jungle Scout. This shiny card here. We got a cabbie. We got an aeronaut. The Brat. Guan Yu. And Permafrost. Okay. Trust me, I won't be getting any more of these unless there's $1 million card. But this is a one-time deal and a one-time deal only, and all of this will be sold probably. No, more than likely it's going to be all sold. Caution. Pastel. Paradigm. Shifu. Shaman, whatever it is. Lazy Lake. Man, I hope there's some value out of this. Probably one of these where I need to hold these for 10 or 15 years and then bring them back out. I'll have them graded anyways. Crusher. Red Jade. Wrangler. Journey, Astra, Tac Bats, and T-Square. What do you guys think? Anybody out there a Fortnite collector or collect any of the cards? Give me some feedback, please. Jolly Jammer. Match Point. Hopefully it wasn't a big waste of money. Echo. Hoping this is like that diamond in the rough type thing. Outcast. Polar Patroller. Anybody is a collector out there and they don't see me getting excited, like I said, I don't know anything about this. So I will have to look all this up afterwards. Got the Cavaliers game on against the Timberwolves. And the Timberwolves are up by 2 in the 4th. Kind of a blah day for basketball, seems like to me today. There's any great games on to me. Banner Trooper. Toy Trooper. Wolf. Toxin. Shiver. Got Bright Bashers and Bubble Popper. Need some more of these shiny cards, I think. Another hollow foil. Let's see what we got here. All right. Charger, Anarchy Agent, Hazard. Uh-oh, we got man overboard. Look at the camera in the corners on that. Dolph, that was probably the most expensive one too, right? Dropped it. Infinity, Potto Gold, and Power Punch. And we got a few packs left still. Sergeant Sigil, Cole, Burial Threat, Swift, Delirium, Chew Toy, Cookie Cutter. Sorry, not very exciting for those of you that are not Fortnite, but like I told you, we went outside the box a little bit here. Birdie, Verge, Payback, Remedy, Big Chuggus, Nighty Night, and Night Owl. We got 3 packs left. Those are probably my best ones right there, I'm guessing. I don't know. Sharpest looking ones. Relay, Cabby, I think we already got him. Shot Caller, Bull Shark, Smoke Dragon, Weeping Woods. Okay, 2 left. Sure Shot, Desert Dominator, Autumn Queen, Wrath, Jack Gordon, Steamy Stacks. Okay, 1 more package. Say let's make it a good one, but I have no idea what I just got here. So let's make it a good one then. Chill Count, Tempest, Flatfoot, Sledge, it's kind of cool, Bio Brothers, StopX, and Stumpy. So there you have it. We went out of bounce. We didn't do sports. We did Fortnite, sorry. And stay tuned, as this week we will have another SGC order coming in. So we look forward to the grades on that. And one thing I will definitely admit is SGC is very tough in grading. But they're really close because I have done some crossovers from GMA to SGC. Some of the cards were exactly what GMA gave, and some of them were, if it was GMA was a 10, then SGC gave it a 9.5. So with that being said, guys, appreciate your support. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you next time.